once the wax melt has cooled down enough, we can start to add our fragrance oil. So today we're going to go with the vanilla, with lavender vanilla. So I thought we'd give this one a go. So our wax molds hold about 74 grams worth of wax, and then we need to take into account our fragrance oil too. So we should measure out about 6 grams of fragrance for 1 wax clamshell, and then that will give us enough scent for our entire shell. So we'll do a measure up of our fragrance. Just pour that in there beautifully. Now we'll probably go just a bit more. And then once we've got that, make sure you mix it in really, 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 really well. So you've got that combined thoroughly. It tends to go a little bit, make sure that it's a little bit crowded, but make sure you've got all your wax melts in there melted, that there's no little leftover chips or pieces in there at all. So just make sure you've got that combined really, really well. Give it like a really good stir through to make sure it's all combined really well. And got a little one. It's just playing quietly while we're getting some wax melts done. So once you've got all of this combined beautifully, and then you can slowly pour the wax melts into the molds and just pour them in really gently so they'll all go in there and fill the tarts up beautifully. And then once you've done one lot, you can then continue on and make another batch of melts, and then give them some time to cure and set too. Beautiful. Alrighty, so that is that, and I'll continue finishing this one off, and we will see you in the next video.